Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our Sight Words series. In today's video, we are going to learn another exciting set of sight words. Let's get started. The first word is make. Make. Sentence: I make my bed. Say it with me. Make. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is made. Made. Sentence: Mom made a toy. Say it with me. Made. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is many. Many. Sentence: I have many toys. Say it with me. Many. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is meat. Meat. Sentence: I meet my mom. Say it with me. Meet. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is milk. Milk. Sentence: I have milk. Say it with me. Milk. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is miss. Miss. Sentence: I miss the bus. Say it with me. Miss. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is more. More. Sentence: I want more. Say it with me. More. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is move. Move. Sentence: I moved the box. Say it with me. Move. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is much. Much. Sentence: Too much is bad. Say it with me. Much. Now say it by yourself. Good job! The next word is must. Must. Sentence: I must run. Say it with me. Now say it by yourself. Good job! Now, let's quickly see all the sight words we learned today. I will show them on the screen and you say them quickly. Ready? Go! Excellent work, children. You read all the words so clearly and confidently. Now don't forget to complete the 2 worksheets I've added for you. They'll help you remember today's sight words even better. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next sight word video.